Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Beginning, let's go to settings and now go to lock screen. Go to screen lock type, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics: PIN, password, pattern, swipe none, face and fingerprints. We are going to use each one of them, and let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is none and swipe. Now let's select PIN number. To create it, enter at least 4 digits. And next, let's select password, and to create it, enter at least 4 characters. Once it's done, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Now we can proceed with biometrics. Our first biometric is face unlock. Simply scan your face via front camera. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the tab. In the end, let's select fingerprint unlock, and to set it, scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.